Angel, we need to put this rice husk at the back of the truck so we can deliver it.
But the truck is not starting.
Why?
I don't know.
Who can fix the truck?
Mother duck.
But where is Mother Duck?
Let's go find her.
Let's go find her.
Come on.
Where's Mother Duck? That's Mother Duck? Mother Duck? Is that you?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I'm doing there.
What are you doing there?
I'm fixing this jeep.
You're fixing the Jeep?
Yes.
You know how to fix the Jeep?
Yes.
Let us see. We need to fix the truck.
Okay.
Do you know how to fix the truck?
Yes.
Because it is not starting.
Yes. Okay. I will be the one to check that truck.
Okay, let's go.
Go. Let's go. Why are you here, Jeremy? Help me. Okay. Is this your truck?
Yes, this is the truck.
Okay.
How will you check if the truck is
Okay.
the problem of the truck?
I will check this. What is the problem that's not starting?
Huwag nang intindi ito, pilipit ang dila nito.
How do you check it?
I will check.
What is that?
Stethoscope. This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Inhale. Exhale. Kanigot pa, hindi lang exhale.
Now we will see if this truck not starting.
Okay.
Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming.
It's not starting?
Ming, 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 ming. Ikaw pala ang miming ng miming?
Oh no.
Not starting the truck. The engine will not starting.
Oh no.
We have a big problem of this truck.
Okay, we will fix it, right?
Yes, I will try to fix this truck.
We will open the truck.
Yes, we'll open. Go up. Okay. Now I will check this engine oil. Oh, no. The engine oil is high blood, high cholesterol.
Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see?
Okay, this one.
High cholesterol.
Yes, high cholesterol.
What is this?
Okay, where?
This.
Electric fan here in the truck.
It is electric fan and truck.
Yes, so that the radiator will not hot.
Radiator?
Yes.
What is radiator?
Radiator has a radio.
Radio?
Radio.
Radiator is a radio.
Yes, this one.
Okay. So how do we fix the truck?
Now, I will going to check another the battery.
The battery.
Going to the battery.
Okay.
Now. So now I will fix this battery because the wire is not connecting in the battery. Now I will put back this. Okay. See? The track is working. The start is starting. The track.
Hoy! Tutulog ako! Nakikita ko sa buwala nyo!
We will drive. I will drive this truck. Put your seatbelt now. Okay.
Oh, we're really driving now. Very fast.
Yeah.
Whoa, we're very fast driving now.
Yeah.
ginagawa nyo?
Okay. The truck is okay. Done already. Now, this is the time that you will put rice husk here.
We learned very much today on how to fix the truck.
Yes.
You know everything.
Yes.
What will you say to your followers?
Hello, my subscribers and followers. I'm here, your mother duck again. Shout out to my new subscribers, Analicel, Limpiado, and Elef. Merhaba Elef. See you to my next vlog. Bye.